St. Louis County has a higher suicide rate than other northeastern Minnesota counties, especially among youth. Now, according to the Minnesota Department of Health, from 2014 to 2018, there have been 26 deaths by suicide for ages 5 to 24 in St. Louis County. Now, in an effort to address this is a new suicide prevention training program coming to the Duluth Public Schools. Alejandra Palacios has more for us.
With suicide being a leading cause of death in youth, Minnesota schools are looking at a suicide prevention training called Kognito.
It's really action-oriented rather than information-oriented. We want the learner, in this case, a school staff member, to leave this hour-long training with the skills and self-confidence to help a student.
Kognito is a virtual training in which a school staff member enters into a simulation where they help a virtual student who has a scenario they are struggling with. The teacher conversates with the virtual student online, and a virtual coach guides them.
So the participant can go back and forth through the scenario to learn how to say what they want to say to support the student and get them connected to help.
Duluth Public Schools Climate Coordinator Ron Lake says they plan to have all school staff trained soon with Kognito. He said as a community, they have a responsibility to help those struggling.
And it doesn't mean that a teacher or a staff member needs to be a therapist or a mental health professional. They just need to know what to look for. They need to know how to engage somebody and ask about how they're doing.
The virtualness of this training is timely with the current health pandemic, as it opens a wide range of valuable information to school staff.
We want to create a community across the state of leaders that help us to support the overall health of students all across our state.
Alejandra, thank you. Those in need of help are encouraged to call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. They're open 24/7. That number is 1-800-273-8255.